Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I am going to paint a realistic rose, and I was searching for reference photos for the rose in these websites where they share a lot of different kind of photos for free use, and I found this one in Unsplash called website, and I will put the link for the reference to the description below. So if you want to try out to paint this one as well, the reference photo is in the description. Hello and welcome to the voiceover. Happy weekend if you are watching this today on Friday, but if not, happy day nevertheless. I started this painting from the background, and for that I mixed Paynes Grey with Ivory Black and Titanium White. At first I just wanted to lay down the right shades, and then when I was happy with the gradient I went over with a soft brush to merge it all together, and that made the background look more soft. So, as I said, I am trying my way to paint a realistic rose. I would prefer painting from life, but since I don't have my own rose here, I am painting from a photograph. And I think that's the great thing about painting or drawing from a photo. You can study subjects you wouldn't normally have access to. Artists nowadays don't necessarily have to travel across the world to make art from a specific subject they don't have in their own country. But I do think there is a great value to be able to study the subject in real life, go around it and see how it is in 3D, and for example with animals to see how they actually move and how the muscles behave in their body, etc. etc. But yeah, I think they both have their qualities, and it's fun to use and practice both methods, work from real life and photographs. After this weekend, it is December. Like, where did the year go? At the same time, it feels like this year has lasted for ages, but then again, in the other hand, it feels like it just went by with the blink of an eye. I'm excited for Christmas because I am in need for a break. I want to be cozy and relax with some good Christmas foods and drinks, and spend time with my family. I am actually working on a bunch of new videos for YouTube to post during the Christmas holidays, so that when I am actually on a break I can just publish a new video every Friday and not actually work during that time. So the upcoming couple of weeks really is like a big stretch before the finish line and before the holidays. But let's talk about today's painting. I didn't copy the photograph precisely, and instead I made it a little bit darker and maybe a bit more melancholic compared to the photo. And also I really like when the paint strokes are visible, so I painted it quite loosely. One might think that flowers are easy to paint, but roses and flowers generally are quite difficult subject to paint or draw. It's not easy to see how the individual petals go, and when I was painting them, they seemed to me like different abstract shapes, and then when they are put together, then they resemble a rose. It definitely took me a lot of trying and experimenting how to paint the rose, and when everything is so much of the same colors and the variations are so little, it's not an easy task to make it sense of it all. And I think I could have tried to fine-tune this painting for many hours, but I had a timer to give me only a couple of hours for this study. I'm curious, do you ever give yourself time limits or do you give yourself an endless time for your art? I have found that giving myself a time limit, it gives me a good restriction, especially for painting studies. I am not meant to use all of my day for it, and it pushes me to paint only the most important parts, and it trains me to find the aspects that makes the painting what it is. Of course, it depends how big the painting is and what is the subject you are working on, but for these smaller studies I usually give myself a couple of hours to work with. And this is the finished roast. Thank you so much for watching, and go give this video a like and subscribe for my future content if you would like to see more of my paintings. And if you would like to see what's going on behind the scenes and some progress photos and photos of my work, go follow me on my Instagram. All the links are in the description below, and I thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Bye!